Kelvin Joseph Comedy News, making our headlines this evening. Babies held up and robbed refrigerator of all its belongings with a nipple bottle. The Duke and Duchess of Cambridge, Prince William and his wife, meets with the most delusional individual in Jamaica, Maroon Emperor, L.A. Lewis. And finally, our top story for this evening. Police arrested for wearing tight pants. These and other stories in our newscast this evening. I'm out. Breaking news! Breaking news! Toddlers held up and robbed a refrigerator of all its contents with loaded nipple bottles. Member of the household reported hearing shuffling in the fridge at 3 a.m. in the morning. Upon investigation, both toddlers were found with loaded nipple bottles, loaded with Lasco or something like that. The mother is ill concealed. Mother, what news do you have for the public about your toddler's behavior?
I'm not having no more kids. 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 I'm not having no more kids.
The mastermind behind the failed refrigerator ice was found in the living room watching cartoons. She made 3 steps and was arrested by the police holding a telephone or a cell phone in her hands. She is now in the protection of her mommy. Back to studios.
Sophia?
Yeah?
Did you take my phone?
No.
In other news, the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge, Prince William and his wife, are visiting Jamaica. They are said to be visiting the most important individual in Jamaica, the Maroon Emperor himself.
Would you like to speak to the prince?
No, nothing would be wrong to speak to the prince now because yes, it's royalty and royalty. He's a European prince and I'm the Jamaica emperor.
Right there.
Maroon emperor. Maroon government.
hero.
Trenchtown legend. Yeah.
Really? Are you crazy?
L.A. Lewis. They are said to be meeting with him to hold bilateral talks and agreements. Kelvin Joseph Comedy News have obtained full footage of the conversation between the Maroon Emperor and the royal family. This is how it went.
Yet. Try call him again. Will I like this?
Hello, good evening. Who is this? Who is this?
This is Lewis, L.A. Lewis, Emperor, Maroon.
Oh, come on the phone, brother.
We interrupt this news broadcast to bring you breaking news. Dancehall artist Pempete, were you wearing your seatbelt at the time of the arrest?
Have my seatbelt, me have my seatbelt, me nah speed, nah nothing at all. And you right ticket for what? Where you right ticket?
Who should be really getting these tickets?
For you need to write a ticket for your pants. We're tight, them need to give you a new pants.
Until next time, this is Kelvin Joseph Comedy News. See you tomorrow, same time, same place. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Don't keep the fun to yourself. Share it with your friends and family. And remember, click that notification bell because YouTube will not send you anything more from me. Until next time, big up yourself and stay strong.